Alright, so we just pulled up to Billionaire Yacht. About to go hang out with the boys, with the crew. Should be a great time. Mr. Tate's gonna be here, Top G, you already know. So we out here with the gang. Dennis, Marav, Jake, and the Funk, baby. Let's go hang out, have a good time, relax. The last little, I guess, hoorah. And no hoorah in terms of like, normally I drink, do my last hoorah, but this, obviously, I'm not gonna do that. Full training mode, baby. One more week, dialed in. But it's nice to hang out, catch some real sun, work on my tan. I'm a little pale. And let's just go have a good time.
How'd you go from fighting into like business?
Man, between you and me, like I was fighting, and this is
If you don't mind me asking,
I'm telling you, like making big money, man. I was making, let's say, even as 4-time world champion, like 40,000 a fight. Wow. Which is not, yeah. That's how it is in kickboxing.
Yeah.
And I found a way to start making some money, and I was like 29, and I was like, do I keep fighting or do I focus on the money? I'm already 29. How many? I've got 5-6 years left. I think I'll take a year out, chase the money, and I start making a bunch of money. And then you're like, oh fuck it. And then they're like, come fight for 40 grand. You're like, I made that yesterday. No. And then you're just working. And then, but I miss it, man. I miss it. You're always gonna miss it. It's inside of you. Like I still want to do it. But I just ain't got the time for the proper training camp discipline.
What's up with you and Logan Paul?
Man, if Logan can pass a drug test, I will whoop him any day. But he can't because he's a fucking bunch of gear. I'm completely clean, been clean my whole life, right? He's fucking taking everything. So if he passes a drug test, I'll shoot the fuck out of him. But he won't do a drug test. He's doing a bunch of steroids. So. But I mean, he's strong and fit, but he ain't technical, is he? You know? No. You just dance around, hit him a few times, and yeah.
We used to fight in school halls for like free.
Me and Tam,
We used to fight nearly 15 years ago for free.
Oh, same school?
Like same area, same shows.
Yeah.
tomorrow can you fight?
Yeah, tomorrow can you
300
fight?
quid.
Yeah,
All right, fuck it.
I needed someone 1 hour, he's pulled out. Okay, you put your own petrol, you drive, you sell tickets. I lost my ticket money, I paid myself to fight.
Oh, fuck.
But it's good
back in
days,
the day, bro.
really good days.
So glad I don't have to sell tickets no more, man.
This was those days, bro.
Miserable.
But they're the harder fights. They were harder fights because there's no, everyone just swinging. It was like no rule. Referee stood it up.
Let's go, buddy. Let's go. It's amazing, brother. Like, a lot of famous people, a lot of famous fighters here. But 1 week left for this guy, UFC champ. Let's go.
Time to go home, folks. You know what time it is. A couple of days. UFC 280. No big deal. It's the Aventador. Aventador. I don't know if they say it like that, but I'm saying it like that. They say, Habibi, come to Dubai. I'm in love. I'm in love. Is this what love feels like? About to get some grappling work in. Couple rounds, get the sweat going. Today's Monday, happy Monday. The first start of fight week. Let's get to it. Weight cuts never fun, but it's part of the journey. And that's it. Low energy. Just gotta keep moving. Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Finish, Aljo, 10 seconds. Nice. One more. The workout was good, man. It was a tough one today. Super lethargic in the beginning, just kind of going through the motions. Tired, which is normal on fight week. But I felt like once I kind of oiled up the knees, hit a couple of shots, we drilled for about 30 minutes, and then we were able to go feet to floor. And I think that's the main important thing, just getting the body primed and ready. I'm older now, so I can't just jump into these training sessions the way I have before. And I think that's the main thing. This week is all about injury prevention, losing the weight, staying safe. I had to tell these guys to kind of pick it up a bit because I could feel when they're kind of just letting me do shit. I'm like, bro, I need some resistance so I can sweat, so I can squeeze, Otherwise, we might as well just drill, if that's going to be the case.
Why do you think they do that?
I think they're just taking it easy on me. I think these guys do that just to take it easy on me and to kind of let me work. But I end up not working because I'm in a dominant position, so you gotta move for me a little bit. Right now, we're doing our water load. We started yesterday. I was supposed to drink 7 liters of water. I don't know how to exactly convert that into gallons, but I think it's 1.5 gallons, maybe 1.75 gallons, 7 liters. But I just got like 5 or maybe just under 5 liters yesterday. Today I'm supposed to do 7. I'm gonna try my best. I'm definitely down 1 gallon already. So I gotta keep pumping in the fluids. I'm gonna check my weight, just see where I'm at for shits and giggles, because obviously I'm drinking a shit ton of water. My weight's still gonna be high. 1 gallon of water is about 8.4 pounds or 8.2 if you guys actually check that on your scale. So imagine just pounding that all day long. You're gonna see your weight shoot up. So now it's just about burning the calories, tricking the body, flushing it with fluids so that it just keeps excreting everything. It keep going to the bathroom, which is the most annoying part. But being that I just worked out that hard, I feel a little dry, a little dehydrated. I can't wait to put some fluids back in. And we water load today. We water load tomorrow. We did Sunday. We do today, Monday. We water load Tuesday as well. And then Wednesday we have like a cut, like a major drastic cut, which tricks the body because the body thinks, oh, you're flushing it. We gotta keep getting this too much fluid. And then when you cut the water, your body's like, wait, hold on to the water. And by the time then, your body's already kind of in that state of, let's get rid of the excess. So by the time Thursday comes, Thursday night I'll probably do the majority of my weight cut, and then maybe wake up early Friday morning and finish the last bit so I can sleep at night. So that's the process. It's not easy, man. It's a whole systematic thing. So when people ask me, it's a very loaded question. I can't just text it because I'm not gonna spend my time on social media texting.